My phone buzzed. $27.34 in my bank account, that's it. My heart dropped. At the gas station, the pump numbers raced higher, 50, 60 more. I watched, helpless. I checked my wallet, empty, swiped my card, declined. Embarrassment burned. This wasn't a one-time emergency. This was my life, maxed out cards, bills due, no safety net, just stress. Every dollar was gone before it arrived. I was always behind, always anxious, no room for mistakes. That day was my wake-up call. No disaster, just the quiet truth. I had no control. But I decided, enough. Something had to change. After that day, I dove headfirst into financial education. I was determined to understand the language of money, to decode the secrets that seemed to elude me for so long. I spent hours reading books, articles, and blogs, absorbing as much information as I could. One term kept coming up again and again: cash flow. It seemed to be the foundation upon which all other financial concepts were built. At first it sounded complicated, almost intimidating. But the more I learned, the more I realized it's actually quite simple. Cash flow is just money in versus money out. Think of it as the movement of money in your life, the ebb and flow of your personal economy. Your paycheck, side hustles, the income you generate from your efforts, or even birthday gifts are all sources of money in. These are the things that add to your financial resources. Rent, groceries, the essential expenses that keep you housed and fed, and subscriptions are money out. These are the costs associated with living your life. The ultimate goal? More money coming in than going out. Positive cash flow means progress. It's the fuel that drives your financial engine forward. It allows you to save, invest, and build wealth. Negative cash flow, on the other hand, means debt and stress. It's a constant struggle to keep your head above water. For years, I was consistently in the red, constantly spending more than I earned. I was plugging holes with credit cards, relying on borrowed money to make ends meet. Living paycheck to paycheck is essentially zero cash flow. Every dollar leaves as soon as it arrives, leaving you with nothing to save or invest. But understanding cash flow changes everything. It's the key to unlocking financial freedom. It's not just about making more money, although that certainly helps, but about consciously managing what you have, making informed decisions about where your money goes. You can improve your cash flow by increasing your income through promotions or side hustles, or by cutting expenses, identifying areas where you can reduce your spending, or ideally, by doing both. Ultimately, every financial decision boils down to one fundamental question: does this help or hurt my cash flow? Will it bring more money in, or send more money out? Adopting this mindset is the crucial first step towards gaining true financial control. Forget the complicated jargon and confusing formulas. Just focus on your flow, on the simple equation of money in versus money out. That's where real, lasting change truly begins. That's where you take the first step towards a brighter financial future. You can't manage what you don't measure. Before you fix your cash flow, you need to know where your money actually goes. Track every dollar for a month, no exceptions. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or an app like Mint or YNAB. Don't judge yourself yet, just observe. Record every coffee, every online order, every bill. At the end of the month, review the data. You'll likely be shocked by how much leaks out on small, mindless purchases. This isn't about guilt, it's about facts. I thought I was good with money, but the numbers told a different story. Hundreds lost to little things I barely noticed. Once you see the truth, you have a starting point. Now you can map a new route. Replace assumptions with reality. Awareness is the first step to change. Your financial map starts here. With your spending tracked, it's time to build a budget. Don't think of it as restriction, it's a plan for your money. A budget is your financial GPS, guiding you to your goals. Start with your take-home pay. List your expenses, fixed needs, rent, car, variable needs, groceries, gas, and wants, dining out, entertainment. Assign limits to each category based on your tracking. If you spent $400 on dining out, maybe cut it to $200 and use the rest elsewhere. The goal: spend less than you earn. Try the 50-30-20 rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, debt. Adjust as needed. Your budget should fit your life. It won't be perfect at first. Review and tweak monthly. Focus on progress, not perfection. A budget gives every dollar a job. It's your proactive strategy for winning with money. Take control. Don't let your money control you. Cutting expenses doesn't mean misery, it's about being smart, plugging leaks, not cutting all the fun. Focus on the big three: housing, transportation, food. Small changes here make a big impact. Get a roommate, cook at home, use public transit. Next, attack subscriptions and recurring bills. Cancel what you don't use, shop for better rates. For fun, get creative, host potlucks, use free streaming, wait 48 hours before big purchases. The goal isn't deprivation, it's optimization. Spend less on what you don't value, more on what you do. Every dollar saved is a step closer to freedom. Make your money work for you, not against you. Life throws curveballs. Unexpected expenses, sudden job loss, or a global pandemic. Car trouble, those dreaded repair bills that always seem to come at the worst time. Vet bills because our furry friends deserve the best care, but it can be costly. Broken laptops or any essential appliance that decides to give up the ghost when you least expect it. An emergency fund is your shield, your financial first aid kit, ready to protect you when the unexpected happens. It's the foundation of financial security. Start with $1,000. This is your initial buffer, a quick win to build momentum and provide immediate relief. Keep it in a separate, easy access account. This ensures the money is readily available when you need it, but also separate from your everyday spending. It's not for vacations or new gadgets. Resist the urge to splurge. This fund has a higher purpose, just true emergencies. Think job loss, medical bills, or urgent home repairs. Sell unused stuff, declutter your home, and turn unwanted items into cash for your fund. Pick up extra shifts, or explore a side hustle to boost your income and accelerate your savings. Or cut spending to build it fast. Identify non-essential expenses and redirect that money to your emergency fund. That first $1,000 brings real peace of mind. It's a psychological safety net, knowing you have a financial cushion. But don't stop there. The journey doesn't end with the first 1,000. Aim for 3-6 months of essential expenses. This is the gold standard for true financial security. Calculate your bare-bones monthly needs, including rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then multiply by 3 to 6. This is your ultimate emergency fund goal. Keep this fund in a high-yield savings account. Make your money work for you while it sits there. Safe, but not too easy to dip into. You want it accessible, but not so tempting that you use it for non-emergencies. It takes time and discipline. Building an emergency fund is a marathon, not a sprint, but it's worth it. The peace of mind and security are priceless. This buffer turns crises into inconveniences. Instead of a financial catastrophe, it's a manageable situation. No more panic when life happens. You'll be prepared and in control no matter what comes your way. The emergency fund is your financial safety net. It's there to catch you when you fall, providing stability and security. Build it, protect it, and sleep easier. Knowing you're prepared for the unexpected is a huge weight off your shoulders. It's the difference between disaster and resilience. An emergency fund empowers you to bounce back from setbacks. Start today, even a small amount can make a difference. Future you will thank you. You'll be grateful for the security and peace of mind you've created. You can only cut so much. There's no ceiling on earning more. Boosting your income accelerates your journey. Start with your main job, become indispensable, ask for a raise, show your value. If that's not enough, try side hustles. Freelance, gig work, or monetize a hobby. Even $200 extra a month can change your budget. Explore passive income, rent a room, sell digital products, start a blog. These take effort to set up, but can pay off over time. The key is to start small and stay consistent. Reinvest what you earn to grow your streams. There's always a way to earn more. Focus on both sides of the equation. More in, less out. That's the formula for freedom. Changing your finances is a marathon, not a sprint. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Stuck to your budget for a week? That's a win. Paid off a credit card? Celebrate it. Saved your first $1,000? Treat yourself, cheaply. Small victories build momentum and make habits stick. Share your goals and wins with someone you trust. Progress isn't always linear. Setbacks happen. Learn, adjust, and keep moving forward. Every step is a step closer to freedom. My journey began with panic at a gas station and $27 to my name. But small, consistent steps changed everything. I learned to track, plan, and control my money. Financial freedom isn't just for the lucky. It's a series of choices. Spend less than you earn, build a buffer, and improve daily. Consistency is powerful. Small actions add up. The goal isn't riches but options. Freedom from stress, the ability to help others, and peace of mind. If you're overwhelmed, you're not alone, and you're not stuck. Your past doesn't dictate your future. Start with one step. Track your spending, cancel a subscription, save $20. The journey starts now. You are capable of change. Your future is unwritten. Take the first step. Write your own story. Financial freedom is possible. The pen is in your hand.